Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have seen regarding about the work done, and as you may know that the work done is of two types: either it may be expansion or it may be compression. We have seen the definition that the work done either due to compression or the expansion. That is, expansion or compression. As you know, there is a change in volume. Either volume is decreased or volume is increased against the constant external pressure. Now, as we have also seen. This work done is carried out isothermally irreversibly and isothermally reversibly. There are two types. And in the last lecture, we also seen that work done in the isothermal irreversible process, or that is nothing but the spontaneous expansion of the gas we have already seen in the last lecture. Besides this, in the last lecture, we have reached to the conclusion that work done is equals to W is equals to minus P delta V. W is equals to minus P delta V. We have seen that. In that case, W is nothing but the work done, P is pressure, V1 is initial volume, V2 is final volume, and delta V is nothing but the change in volume. Now, we have carried out the expression for the W, that is work done in the isothermal irreversible process. Now, regarding the sign of the work done W, we are going to see what are the different signs and what are their meanings in particular process. We also seen the different kind of process. Now, the sign of W or the sign of work done. In the sign of work done, there are 6 cases will be there. These are 6 cases are very important as far as the problem is concerned. Besides these 6 cases, the examiner also asks as the MCQ and in the problem section. So these are the very important. Now remember here, to do the thermodynamic problem, it is very necessary to understand all the concept from this now. In the previous lecture, we have seen that conversion of the units. Now, this is very important if you do the problem completely. Now, the sign of work done W. The first case is isothermal expansion. Isothermal expansion, as you know, I come to the conclusion that expansion means there is a change in volume. It means piston is from this place to this place. Means volume is changes. V2 is greater. Now, in this case, V2 is always greater than V1. V2 is always greater than V1, means V2 minus V1, that becomes the positive. V2 minus V1, that becomes the positive. And what does it mean that? It means that work is done by the system or the surrounding. That piston move from this place to this place. That is work is done by the system on the surrounding. And according to the IUPAC nomenclature system, as I know, in the work done case is a negative. Why negative? Because to move piston from this place to this place, the heat is required. So heat is lost. Heat is lost. That's why negative sign is put. That's why negative sign is put. Therefore, if I put W is equals to minus P delta V, W is equals to minus P, and delta V is also positive, and positive negative, it becomes negative. Means one can say that in isothermal expansion, work done is a negative. And what is the meaning of that negative? Work is done by the system on the surrounding. Work is done by the system on the surrounding. Examiner always asks in isothermal process, what is negative, what is positive, what is positive or negative, or none of this. Like the questions it is asked. So remember here, work is done by the system on the surrounding, and that is nothing but the negative work done in the case of the expansion. Now the second case we have to see that the isothermal compression. Now opposite to that, isothermal compression means piston from this state, it will reach to this state. Means initial is more, final is less. Means final minus initial. Means delta V, in this case it will become the delta V becomes the negative. Final minus initial. Final minus initial. Right? So delta V becomes the negative. It means that work is done on the system by the surrounding. This picture moves from this place to this place. That is, work is done on the system by the surrounding. And IUPAC work done is positive, because why? This piston moves from this place to this place and energy is gained. Energy is gained from the surrounding. That's why delta W is in this case is positive. Therefore, we can write that W is equals to minus P delta V, and it becomes positive, and W is nothing but the positive. Now, the third case, and third case is nothing but the cyclic process. As you know, we have seen that in the process there are different processes. We have seen that 7 to 8 type of process we have seen already seen. In cyclic process means the system start from this place, it reaches to the same place. Start from this place, it reaches to the same place. It means that initial state and final state are same. Means in this case, initial volume and final volume are same. That is delta V is equals to 0. Therefore, if you put this in this formula, W is equals to minus P delta V. Therefore, W is equals to minus P into 0 is equals to 0. In this, one can say that in the cyclic process, work is not done or there is no work done. In cyclic process, there is no work done or there is a zero work done. Now, the fourth case in vacuum. In vacuum, what is happening in vacuum? When gas is allowed to expand in the vacuum, the external force of the external pressure is 0. That is P is equals to 0. And if you put there W is equals to minus P delta V, therefore minus 0 into delta V is equals to 0. In that case, that is nothing but there is no work done is obtained, and that no work done is obtained. In that case, that is called as a free expansion. So free expansion occurs only in vacuum, not in cyclic process. Free expansion occurs in vacuum. That is nothing but the fourth case. And the fifth case, what is the fifth case? Isochoric. Isochoric, as you know, core means volume. Delta V is equals to 0. If you put W is equals to minus P delta V, W is equals to minus P into 0 is equals to 0. That is in this case also work done is 0 or there is no work done. In isobaric process, isobaric pressure remains constant. P is equals to 0. If you put P is equals to 0, it becomes 0. So in this way there are the 6 different sign conventions for the W, and it is very important as far as multiple choices question is concerned. So therefore we remember these 6 processes. This process at a side of W. Now the next point and very important point as far as the thermodynamics is concerned. And if you know this table, then and then you can be able to solve the problems of the thermodynamics. Otherwise, you cannot be able to solve the problems of the thermodynamics. Remember here, no problem you can be able to solve. So this table is very important. You have to by heart this table. Now in this case, now as you know, what is the expression? Our expression is that W is equals to minus P delta V. W is equals to P delta V. Now, in this case, what is happening? Means I have taken P pressure, V volume, P pressure, V volume, and work done W. Means 3 quantities I have taken here. These are the 3 quantities I have taken here. What is the unit? Means unit must be uniform. Unit must be uniform. Either serious unit or the SI unit. Now remember here, if the unit of pressure, as you know, gas unit Newton meter square किंवा त्याला काय म्हणतात पास्कल म्हणतात. न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वेअर किंवा त्याला काय म्हणतात पास्कल. जर युनिट प्रेशर युनिट हे न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वेअर मध्ये असेल आणि व्हॉल्यूम युनिट मीटर क्यूब मध्ये जर दिलेलं असेल तर येणारं वर्णन हे याचं युनिट हे जूल असतं. किंवा तुम्हाला विचारलं व्हॉल्यूम तर तुम्हाला न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वेअर मध्ये दिलेले प्रेशर आणि वर्णन जूल मध्ये दिलं ते याचं युनिट ऑटोमॅटिक आहे मीटर क्यूब होतं. पण एक्झामिनर काय करतो इतका सहज तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम देत नाही. तो काय करतो एक त्याला सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मध्ये देतोय किंवा त्याला अर्ग मध्ये देतोय. म्हणजे काय करायचं की आपल्याला या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये त्याला बसवायचं. मग त्यावेळेस काय करायचं अर्ग जर असेल त्याला जूल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून घ्यायचं, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब जर असेल त्याला मीटर क्यूब मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून घ्यायचं. Either you have to keep all in CGS or the SI unit. The same way second thing Newton meter square Pascal, this is decimeter cube आणि त्याला multiply by 10 to the power minus 3 joule. In this way याला फक्त किलो लावला याला फक्त किलो लावला. So किलो Newton meter square or किलो Pascal is equal to dm cube आणि त्याला joule झालं फक्त ते कारण काय झालं 10 to the power minus 3 तो त्या ठिकाणी कट झाला. इथे किलो लावला या ठिकाणी किलो पास्कल मीटर क्यूब 10 to the power 3 joule. या ठिकाणी atmosphere liter unit is liter atmosphere. Now these are the very important. म्हणजे काय की प्रॉब्लेम बघताना तिघा युनिट सारखा पाहिजे तर आपण प्रॉब्लेम असं काही करेक्ट आहे. किंवा समजा एक तुम्हाला वेगळा दिला तुमचं असं जेव्हा आहे ती यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू दॅट. नाउ हाउ यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू दॅट hints you have to see at home. I will ask in the next lecture. I will be in the next lecture. But up to that, you have to buy this table. Okay. Thank you very much. We are meeting the next lecture.